Ever wondered how to make money on YouTube and fast? Well, you've come to the right place. This guide will break down the steps to turn your YouTube channel into a revenue-generating machine. First things first, finding your niche is crucial. This means identifying a subject you're passionate about or have a wealth of knowledge in. This ensures your content stands out and draws in viewers who share the same interests. Next, focus on creating high-quality content. This means investing time in producing videos that are engaging, visually appealing, and have crystal-clear audio. Remember, quality content is key to attracting and retaining viewers. Now, to ensure your videos reach the right audience, optimize them for search. Research and incorporate relevant keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This not only increases your video's visibility, but also boosts its ranking on YouTube's search engine. Building a loyal audience is the next step. Engage with your viewers, respond to their comments, and foster a sense of community. Remember, a loyal subscriber base is more likely to support your channel and share your content. Once you've built up a substantial following, it's time to monetize your channel. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program, provided you meet the platform's eligibility criteria. This allows you to earn revenue through ads, channel memberships, and Super Chat. Partnering with brands is another effective way to generate income. Seek collaborations with brands that align with your niche. Sponsored content can be a lucrative source of income, especially if it resonates with your audience. Affiliate marketing is another excellent avenue for revenue. By promoting products or services related to your content using affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Lastly, consider offering merchandise. Whether it's a catchy slogan on a t-shirt or a unique piece of artwork, selling merchandise related to your channel can quickly turn your brand into a revenue stream. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to making money on YouTube fast. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Keep creating valuable content, interact with your audience, and explore various revenue streams to maximize your earnings. Here's to your YouTube success.